Cost efficiency and the value of the project is a huge part for us when we speak about appropriateness, and starting off in the right direction is quite key. This is one of the reasons we actually set up what we've been running now for about 1.5 years as the vision team. When we put these concepts together, it's essential that the design is set up in such a way that it's not going to get tripped up financially later on. It's actually made up of a team of seasoned designers and guys that have constructed buildings that understand how things are made and where the value is. So we make sure that our process, we don't unnecessarily spend money. It's one of the big things for us and one of our successes, that we can actually make buildings on budget or below budget for our clients. When we create a design, we don't just add things for aesthetic for the sake of it. We kind of try to draw the essence out of it without spending additional money. So we use what's there and we try to make that special.
I think it's very normal in South Africa and natural for us to constantly think about keeping things cost effective while still ensuring we have creativity in the process. Working on a lot of the lodges, they're very budget restrained, and one way around it that we find really also helps the design process is we end up having to hand make a lot of what we're dealing with. The one project we're busy with, there's a lot of stonework in the spa. In other places they would just happily import the stone. In that case, we've gone to some of the original granite areas and actually used a local method where they light fires under the granite and it ends up breaking off and cracking, but we've ended up with these huge pieces of granite that we've used in the design. So we actually took each piece and then tried to custom fit it into where it would fit on the wall and the floors. And we've done all the floors and all the walls of the spa in this rock, which otherwise would have just been imported from somewhere.
So we can continually test designs from numerous aspects while we're designing. I think that helps make things efficient as well. There's a very easy flow of information and communication by use of BIM cloud and that sort of thing, which has enabled us, if we continually embrace it and actually spend time researching the new developments in terms of technology, particularly in our field, it always adds to the efficiency as we go along as well. In terms of buildings, it's imperative to us that people don't end up with something where they're wondering what this was for. Was it just for someone's ego? It needs to be a creative solution for someone's purpose. And if we can do that, then we consider it to be efficient.